Hello, everyone, and welcome. A lot of you have reached out to me asking how you can quickly and efficiently list products from AliExpress onto eBay. In this comprehensive video, I am going to guide you step by step in detail on how to list a product from AliExpress onto eBay so that we can successfully do dropshipping together. First, we will start by picking any product on AliExpress. For example, with this product, I will now demonstrate how to list a hat on an eBay account. To list a product from AliExpress onto your eBay account, the very first thing you need to do is register for an eBay account. To register for an eBay account, simply click the link provided in the description below my video. This link will take you directly to the official eBay website where you can sign up for an account. It is important to make sure you use your correct information when signing up, as this will help avoid any issues later on. Once you have registered for your eBay account, you are ready for the next step. To list products from AliExpress onto eBay, you're also required to register for a Yaballe API account. And I have included the link to the Yaballe API registration guide in the video description below. Please click the link in the video description. Here, you will find detailed instructions to register for a Yaballe account using your email address. Make sure to follow each step carefully to ensure your account is set up correctly. The second step is to connect your Yaballe account with your eBay account. This connection is necessary so that you can easily transfer product information and manage your listings. The third step is to list products. To list products from AliExpress, your eBay account needs to be set up with the correct account settings. Go to account settings and set up a business policy. You need to create a business policy to manage your sales efficiently. Go to business policy here, click on business policy and create the following. First, create a payment policy, then a return policy, and then a shipping policy. For shipping from AliExpress, I usually set it up like this. You can name it anything you like, the name does not matter. Then select the service as e-packet, shipping from China, and choose 2 to 7 business days. I usually select this option because it is reliable and fast. Next, I choose free shipping for the US for domestic US sales. If you are selling to the US market, then select this option. Then, set the handling time to 5 days. That is the shipping policy. For the shipping policy, I select the domestic US option and choose this service, 2 business days, and set the handling time to 5 days. Then save it. After that, we will practice listing products. Listing products is very easy. You can do it in about a minute. After setting up your business policy, you are ready to start listing products and growing your dropshipping business. In order to successfully link your account to AliExpress, you must first register for the GeoLink API. GeoLink also offers something called non-API, which is a different method. However, the non-API option only supports listing products from Amazon. It does not support listing products from AliExpress at all. So if you want to list products from AliExpress, you are required to register for the GeoLink API specifically. Okay, in my account here, I have already linked my GeoLink API account with my eBay account, which is an important step. First, you need to go to the Lister section. Once you have linked your GeoLink API account, select Lister here. When you have successfully linked, in the settings section under eBay policy, remember that for the business policy, you must connect and select the return policy and the payment policy. These are essential for your listings to function properly. Then select the monitor profile. For the monitor profile, you need to choose the city and country where your account is based. For example, if your account is in Malaysia, you must select Malaysia so you can list products. That's all. In the general section, you will set the profit percentage, the highest yield you want to earn per product. After that, click Lister and select Lister. For example, if I want to choose this product, I will copy the link, copy the entire link, right? Now, let me elaborate a bit more. When you are in the Lister section, make sure you double check all your settings, including your business policies, monitor profile, and profit percentage. These settings are crucial for ensuring your listings are accurate and compliant with eBay's requirements. If you skip any of these steps, you might encounter issues when trying to list products. Also, when copying the product link, make sure you copy the full URL from AliExpress, not just a part of it, to avoid any errors during the listing process. Taking these extra steps will help ensure a smooth and successful experience when linking your GeoLink API account to AliExpress and eBay and when listing your products. And then, after completing the previous steps, we proceed to the Xioli section of that specific eBay account. At this point, we click on the button labeled Get Item, and then we select the option Get Item once again and patiently wait for it to load completely. Here, on this page, it displays a Vero warning. Please note that this is not correct or applicable in this case. The print on end warning that appears is also not correct or relevant. Next, scroll down the page and, for example, select the option Unbranded for the brand field. Now, when it comes to the title, we will utilize ChatGPT to help us write our product title. So, what we do is copy the original title and then use a template sentence for guidance. Here, I will choose a template sentence from the available options. To determine which template is most appropriate to use, the reminder form, is conveniently linked below in the video description. I have included this helpful form in the video description, and it contains reminders and tips for writing both titles and descriptions. Everything you need is there. Simply click the link provided in the video description. Now, I will continue with the process. For the section labeled Prop Info, I will paste the product title into the designated field, then press the Enter key and it will automatically rewrite the title for me using ChatGPT. See how it works? We will copy it and then we go into this section. Currently, it has over 80 characters. It's 84 characters, so we need to remove some. We delete everything after that, leaving only 80 characters. Next version, we check it. We check the sale price. You can change it later if you want. It's not important right now. Here, you can see the original price is listed as 36.7. You can change the price later if you want. After checking, we click on the image description section. If you want to create images later or do anything else, you can do it afterward. For now, let's just click to list the item. Let's click to see if there are any errors. After we click to list it, you need to pay attention to your Yaballe account. You must register, okay? It says listing success here. Now we'll go to monitor. Monitor is where the product you just listed will appear. It will be under monitor, under supervision. Here is the product we just posted. Where is it? If you want to change the price, you can do it in the monitor section. If you want to sell at a higher price, like over $60, or if you want to sell at a lower price, like $49 or something, just click this pencil icon here. You can edit the price here and lower it even more if you want. If you don't want to change anything, just leave it as is. Now, let's go to monitor listing. You'll see the product. This is just a demo. You'll see the product you just listed right here. See, I just listed this item, right? Please wait just a moment while I get everything ready. There we go. This right here is the item we're working with, correct? Now we have the ability to edit this item, right? What we'll do is select the option labeled revolting. After that, we'll proceed to choose the most representative image for this particular product. If we decide that we want to set this specific image as the main one, all we need to do is simply drag it into the designated area. Just drag it right here, okay? So in this step, we're selecting this image to be the main image for the product listing. Alternatively, if we want, we can use ChatGPT to generate or create a similar image that looks like this one. I'll demonstrate exactly how to do that for you in just a bit. Now, moving on to this section, we have the option to change or completely rewrite the product description. Actually, it's not strictly necessary to do so, but if we do want to rewrite the product description, the first step is to delete everything that's currently there, okay? Just delete all of it. Then we'll move on to rewriting the product title. For this, I'll be using ChatGPT to help rewrite the product description. All right, now I'm going to use ChatGPT. When using ChatGPT, I'll be following this template. You are a copywriting expert, a product description specialist on eBay, and you always follow eBay's official policies. I'll enter the product title right here, okay? I put this template in the file, everyone, so you'll be able to find it easily when you need it. You can click the video description below to get it. The link is right there for your convenience. I've made sure to include it in the video description so you don't have to search for it elsewhere. Alright, then I'll upload the image we'll be working with so we can move on to the next step. Before that, I'll check the product description to make sure we have all the details we need. Okay, here's the product description, which contains the information we'll use. I'll take a screenshot of it to keep a record. I'll use the screenshot tool on my computer, which helps me capture exactly what's on the screen. There, I'll capture the important part of the product description here. Taking a screenshot ensures we have a copy to refer to later. I'll save it to the desktop so it's easy to find. Here, I'll upload this description image to the platform. I'll use ChatGPT to write the description for me based on the image I just uploaded. Okay, let's wait for it to load. Sometimes it takes a moment. Then I'll press enter, everyone, to start the process. It will write the description based on this image using the information we provided. Okay, I'll copy this image as well, just in case we need it again. You should keep these things organized for future reference. All right, after eBay rewrites it for me, can you see it? This is how you can use these steps to create and manage product descriptions efficiently. It rewrote it very professionally, right? We copy this and paste it into the description of this eBay account in this listing, right? After that, we will click the revive button. We won't edit anything else. We will only edit the images and the description of this product. Okay, so now you can look at this product. You can see that we've listed this product very quickly. Now let's look at the description and the features of the product. You can see that the product description here looks very professional, right? So we've optimized for ourselves. First, let's talk about the title and description of this listing. They are very professional and they look completely different from the original page that you would find on Alibaba, no? If you want to have images that feature models wearing this product, you can simply take a photo of this hat, okay? We can take a picture of this hat and then use UET to generate a product image that looks professional and appealing. We'll use UET to create the product image, making sure it stands out. I've included the form in the video description below, so you can select the image you just uploaded, this image, and use the form to generate the product image. This is the form for writing descriptions, right? And this is the form for generating images. After that, just click here and it will generate an image of the product for you. It takes about a minute or two to create an image, depending on your internet speed and the complexity of the image you want to generate. I've also included the prompt in the video description, so you can create other prompts as well, right? You can use UTI to generate prompts for yourself too, which can help you come up with creative ideas for your product listings. Okay, so that's it for this video, where I guide everyone on how to quickly copy a product from Alibaba to e-commerce. I hope this tutorial was helpful and that you can now easily create professional looking product listings with great images and descriptions. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment below and don't forget to check the video description for all the resources and forms mentioned in this video. Mainsit. Thank you for watching and good luck with your e-commerce journey. Bike, right? Regarding the price, if you want to change the price to be higher or lower so you can have a higher or lower profit margin, you can adjust it in your Yaballe account. In your Yaballe account, you can increase or decrease it as you wish, okay? And one more note, you have to register for a package. You need to choose a package to be able to copy from Alibaba to e-bike. You have to select the package. Even the basic package is $26, which allows you to list 200 listings and monitor 200 listings. You can also upgrade to higher tier packages. So don't forget to register for a Yaballe package to avoid being scammed or defrauded. Please click the link in the video description to register for a Yaballe account so you can list products from Alibaba. Okay, see you in the next videos. If you found this video helpful, please give me lots of likes. And if you have any questions or encounter any difficulties with listing products from Alibaba to e-bike, just leave a comment and I'll answer any questions you have. Okay, goodbye everyone and see you in the next videos.